Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss how to deploy the Streamlit project. So for this, you have to create Streamlit account. Just go and type Streamlit on your Google. I already have signed up, so I just need to sign in like this. Now you need to go to your code. This is two files. One is the code file where the functionalities of the project is written, like how what kind of functions I have used. And this is the app.py, which is a Streamlit project. So for this, you will need to install Streamlit in your project. Make sure you will use this file for installation. So the command is pip install Streamlit. Just type here and click enter. It will take few seconds and your Streamlit will be installed. Now my Streamlit is installed. I need to run my Streamlit on my local system. For this, you just need to run Streamlit run.app, or you can just say Streamlit run and your file name. My file name is app.py, so I am using app.py. Now my project is live on my localhost. But we will need to deploy this on our Streamlit account, which will be a very interesting part. So let's do it. Open your Streamlit account by this, and just for this you have to create your GitHub repository of your project. So first we will create our GitHub repository. It will take few seconds and or few minutes. Then our project will be created. Just create a project like I am using bank app. Not wasting so much time on this. Add this and just go there. I will update this after few minutes. So just add your files of your project. Just go choose your files and open your project. The project is where is my project? There are so many files. So then this is my project and these are two files. Add these two files in your project. It will take few seconds for uploading the files. It depends upon the network and size of the file. One file is uploaded, another is just guess. Add some commands like update uploaded files. Now my GitHub repository is created of my project. So one small step, deploy publish app from GitHub. So I am using this because of my repository is here. Click deploy now. Put your Streamlit link here. This is the Streamlit link. Okay. Oh, sorry. GitHub repository link in your Streamlit account. First, you have done this, and make sure it is a main branch always. And here you always use your main file, which is app.py where Streamlit is added. So I am choosing this. You can change your name, for example, 007. This is my number, so I use always 007 and just click apply. It will take few seconds, almost 1 or 2 minutes, not much more than that. Just waiting. Hey, before please reply, don't stream it. Now I will show you the demo of my project, which is very amazing. Just type your enter account holder, for example, Yasir. Enter initial deposit. I am depositing 10,000. Just create amount, and that's my amount is deposits. Now I want to deposit something more. For example, I want to deposit 5,000 more. Now my total amount is 15,000 because 10,000 it is initially deposited. Now I need to withdraw some amount. For example, I have to withdraw 6,000. My amount is withdrawn, and now my total amount balance is 9,000. Now I want to view my account details. So account holder name is Yasir. Now current balance is 9,000. So it is working very fine. You can use in your CV if you are applying for Python role in companies. And this is the last option about developer. So this is this is my GitHub repository link, my email. You can email me or follow me on my GitHub account. Thanks for watching. This is all about